Hello there. I'm Dr. Bartholomeow, your credit card expert. Based on your preferences, I've found 3 perfect options for you. My top recommendation is the Tangerine Money Back credit card, the perfect card for earning cash back on essentials. This card offers unlimited 2% money back rewards on purchases in 2% money back categories of your choice, and 0.5% money back rewards on all other purchases, and offers benefits like select dining and grocery.
Meow there, Sir Pounce at your service. I've analyzed your spending habits and found some interesting patterns. Your highest spending category is education. Here's a tip. Consider reducing the frequency of dining out to save on food expenses. Your current savings rate is 84.59%. Great job on your savings. Keep up the good work.
Greetings, I'm Dr. Clawdia. I've created an investment portfolio tailored to your wealth goal and a 7/10 risk tolerance. I've allocated 60% to stocks. Projected annual return is 7%, growing $56,000 to $78,553 over 5 years. Let's review the plan.